Hello friends, I'm Aishwarya Mehta from Soul to Soul. This is my new channel and here comes the first video, the unboxing video of the HP Pavilion 15 eg0103TX laptop. This is a premium laptop.
The month and year of import on the box is April 2021 and the price printed is 79,888. I'll be telling you the price I have bought the laptop at the end of the video. So keep watching. The packaging of the laptop is quite premium. Let's see the content before opening the box. So in the box we are getting a power cord and a 65 power watt adapter,
Let's open the box. The CPU of the laptop is 11th generation Core i5-1135 G7 processor with clock speed of 2.4 GHz, which can be further turbo boost to 4.2 GHz. The laptop has 4-core 8-thread processor with 8 MB L3 cache. The memory of the laptop is 16 GB DDR4 3200 SD RAM, which can be extended up to 32 GB. A beautiful, thin and sleek natural color laptop. There's an HP logo on the top with mirror finish, giving it a premium look. And to add on to the beauty, there's Pavilion engraved on the back neck of the laptop. HP Maze Pad with gesture and precision touchpad support. A full-size keyboard with backlit support. This is a very good option for people who mostly work at night. .6-inch Full HD IPS Micro Edge Anti-Glare Quality display with 178-degree wide view angle. 720-pixel HD web camera with integrated dual array and a digital microphone support. Talking about the ports, on the left side we have 5 ports. The first is HDMI 2.0 version port. Second is 5 Gbps Super Speed Type A USB port. The third is 10 Gbps Super Speed Type C port. The fourth is micro SD card reader. The fifth is 3.5 mm earphone jack supporting both audio and microphone. Windows specification includes Windows 10 Home Single Language for lifetime, and Microsoft includes Microsoft Office Home and Student for lifetime too. The laptop supports Nvidia GeForce MX450 Intel Integrated Iris X 2GB GDDR6 graphic card. Inbuilt Alexa, B&O, that is Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a fingerprint sensor for security. Coming back on the ports, on the right side we have one charging port, one Super Speed Type A port and one security slot. Also, when you push back the screen, it lifts the laptop from the base for a better air ventilation. The laptop has a storage of 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, which can be extended up to 2 TB. Also, there is an extra slot for storage extension. Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 combo supporting gigabit file transfer speed. The power key is not on the right nor on the left, but on the keyboard itself, which may be the single drawback of this laptop. But let me tell you, One has to press it for about a second to turn the laptop on, so it's not a big issue. The booting time is 2 to 3 minutes. It approximately takes 6 seconds for the laptop to start and 10 seconds for it to shut down. The laptop weighs 1.7 kg. The battery provided is 3-cell 41-watt-hour lithium-ion which supports fast charging. It approximately gives 7 to 8 hours of working. Dual speakers by B&O which gives premium audio quality. Space for air ventilation. Two rubber grippings are provided on both the sides for a better grip for the laptop. Okay, so now about the price. I bought the laptop for about 70,000. So if you want a premium laptop and your budget is around 70,000, you should definitely have this laptop in your choice list. The laptop supports normal gaming, 4K level video and photo editing. If you want to buy or check out the laptop, the link is in the description box below. Do check. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.